It's Chef Ty here. Go ahead, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's begin. We're gonna need a blender for this smoothie. And the first thing we're gonna add is about 250 milliliters of almond milk. Then we're gonna add 1 serving of 100% pure spirulina. Next, we're going to add 1 serving of moringa powder. Then we'll add a healthy serving of ground flax seeds, as well as a healthy serving of hemp seeds. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut-based MCT oil. As a natural sweetener, we will add 2 cored dates and garlic for an extra nutritional kick. Lastly, we're going to add our vanilla elite protein by Green Measurement. This is a plant-based protein powder that is very easy to digest. Oh, I almost forgot. We're also gonna add about half of a frozen banana. We've added all of our ingredients, and then we're gonna cover up our blender and put it on the machine on the smoothie setting. We are gonna blend this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Give it a shake to make sure that our ingredients are fully incorporated, and then take her for another spin. Once you've achieved the desired consistency, we're gonna go ahead and pour that into a tall mason jar with a straw. You'll notice that there's little chunks left behind, but don't worry, that's from our dates. Those are like little pieces of candy in the bottom of your smoothie. And our green smoothie is complete. Go ahead, like this video, smash that subscribe button, and follow us on Instagram at Holistic Chefs for recipes, tips, and tricks. Chef Ty, out.